Hi Primary 6, I'm Miss Rania, your math teacher. Today we will talk about the properties of proportional. Do you remember what is the meaning of proportional? Yes, it's an equality between two ratios. Okay, so if I have A over B equals C over D, A and D are called extremes. A and D are called extremes. Why? Because A is our first term and D is our last term or fourth term. So first term and fourth term are called extremes. Okay? C and B are called means. Why? Because they are the middle terms. So second term and third term are called means. So A to B equals C to D. Okay, if A over B equals C over D, we said before, A is our first term, B second term, C third term, D fourth term. So our first term and fourth term, so first and fourth, are called extremes, while the middle terms, which are second and third terms, are called means. Okay, in any proportion, the product of the extremes equal the product of the means. What does it mean? It means if I multiply A multiplied by D, the product of them will be equal to the product of B multiplied by C. Okay, so A to B equals C to D, A multiplied by D equal B C. Okay, let's see an example to understand. It is said that 1 year in a dog's life is equivalent to 7 years in human's life. So if you have a dog and its name is Rocky. Rocky has 15 years. So he thinks that he has 105 years equal to the human's years. Is he right or not? Think about it. Yes, we said that 1 year equals 7 years. 1 year in dog's life equals 7 years in human's life. So we multiply 1 by 7 to get the 7 years. So if Rocky has 15 years, so I'll multiply 2 by 7, so it's equal 105 points or 105 years in human's life. Okay, this is our proportional. Okay, 1 year in dog's life equals 7 years in human's life. So if Rocky has 15 years, it's equals to 105 years in human's life. Let's see an example. Find x in each of the following proportion. 5 over 8 equal 15 over x. Ask yourself, x is means or extremes? It's extremes. Okay, so if I'm searching about the extremes, I'll multiply both means over the last extreme. So I have here 8 by 15 over the 5. The answer will be 24. Again, x over 6 equal 20 over 30. Here, x means or extremes? Yes, extremes again. So multiply both means. Yes, it will be 20 by 6 over the 30 equal 4. Another example. Find the missing number x for the following numbers to be proportional. I have 6, 8, 3 and x. So asking about the value of x. X, it will be equal means, because I have the two means over the extreme. It will be 8 by 3 over the 6 equal 4. Another example. A car consumes 20 liters of benzene for covering 210 kilometers. How many liters of benzene does the car consumes to cover 630 kilometers? The same car. Okay, we are talking about the same car. So if it consumes 20 liters to cover 210 kilometers, so how much liters we will need to cover 630 kilometers? We will start by names. The first line will be names, liter and kilometer, okay? And put each value under each name. So I have 20 liter and 210 kilometer. 20 will be under the liters and 210 kilometer will be under the kilometers, okay? Our last value is 630 watt kilometers. So I'll put it under the kilometers. Now the missing number is under what? Under the liter. So I'll cross multiply them. It will be x equal 20 by 630 over 210 equals 60 what? 60 liters. So I know now I'll need 60 liters to cover 630 kilometers. Our last example. A primary school, its building height is 14 meters. And the shade of this building at a certain moment is 5 meter length. What is the height of a tree in the same moment if its shade length is 3 meters? So we have same moment, okay? Now, put the names of which we have, height and shade. We have height and shade. For what? For school and tree. So I'll put the values of school on the same line and the values of tree on the same line. I'll start by 14 meter, it will be under the height, and 5 meter, it will be under the shade. Here I have 3 meters for the tree. 3 meters is considered like what? Yes, shade. So I'll put the 3 under the shade. Now I have a missing number under the height. I'll just cross multiply them. It will be 14 by 3 over 5 equal 8.4 meter. Okay, that easy. You got it? Okay, thank you all and see you soon. Thank you.